Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Anne and I'm with my little girl. If you think this is a style that's a little bit too long-winded, then Beth Hart Sweetheart Hair Designs, she has got lots of different bun styles for yourself and for your little girl. So I'll put a link to her channel up here, but also at the end as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a parting on the side of her hair. To make the parting nice and neat, I'm going to comb in the direction I want it to go. I'm going to take that parting down the side of her head like so. Comb that bit over. With the end of my comb, I'm going to take my comb for a little walk around her head, curving the back of her head. I want the braid to come along and go around over the bun. So I don't want to keep braiding really low, so I'm going to just take down my comb, just here, and put all of this hair now into a side ponytail. Okay, so if you'd like to find out how I do my perfect ponytails, I've got a link to that just up here. You can see how I do the ponytail without getting all the lumps and the bumps in it. I'll just show you how I use my hands. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is the 5-strand braid. If you're new to doing that sort of braid, if you just go up here, you'll be able to click in the link and you can see my step-by-step beginner's guide to doing a 5-strand braid. You'll need that to do this. Okay, so to start this braid, I'm just going to take a slice of hair, comb it in the direction that I want it to start, because I want this braid to go over this parting line. So you can see I've got my 5 pieces. Okay, so I'm going to go under with the left hand piece. I'm going to take the center piece under that piece. I'm going to come over to this side and go under, and then take this center piece under. So when we're doing this, we're just doing 2 Dutch braids, one on this side, one on the other side. But obviously we've only got 5 pieces of hair. That center strand has to do a lot of the work. Because this is a lace braid, I'm going to be adding just from the hair section. I'm not going to be adding any hair that's on the other side, because then that way I will be able to braid over the parting line. Okay, so again, this might be a little bit complicated if you haven't already looked at the step-by-step 5-strand braid, because I go in a lot more detail on that video, so you can see how I'm holding the hair and what I'm doing. But hopefully you've seen that one now and you're able to follow along with what I'm doing. You know how you're doing the 5-strand braid, and this is just turning it into a lace braid version. So we're just doing the same as we would with the 5-strand, but instead of adding from both sides, I'm just adding from the one side. Okay, and also as I'm braiding now, I'm trying to keep it up, trying to keep that sort of curved shape. I'm not braiding downwards, because I know that I'm going to end up wanting to go around a bun shape. Okay, so I've braided all the way around the head now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just braid all the way to the end. Tie it off now just with a little clear elastic. And I'm just going to take the ends and just finish them folded backwards on themselves, just so that when they go around the bun, we don't have lots of hair sticking out and poking out. Okay, I'm going to take a donut bun. I'm going to pull all the hair through, and I'm going to separate the hair in half. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to ask her just to tilt her head onto the side. Do you want to use the pillow? Are you okay? Okay, a bit more. I need it to be right over on the top. Okay. Okay, so now I've parted the hair. I've got it perfectly split. Take another big bobble. Split the hair so it falls on both sides. And I'm going to just twist and twist all the hair as I come to it. Okay, so when I've got to the end, I've got a little bit of a tail here. I'm starting to get shorter pieces. I'm just going to tie them all together just to stop them from separating. And just keep going around. So I'm almost finished. And I hope you're liking what you're seeing. If you do, please subscribe to our channel. If you're already subscribed, that's amazing. Thank you so much, and thank you for coming back. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this braid and we're going to just lay it over the bun like this. Taking from underneath and just sliding them in, like so.
So here's the finished look. We wore it for dancing, but where would you wear it? Bridesmaid, flower girl, first Holy Communion? Let me know in the comments below what you think.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.
Bye.